Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to animation. Actually, today I'm having a task like I have to divide a number by using a 9. The number is too big, you know. The number is 2213. So how to do it? Even I don't know the 9 table. If I don't know the 9 table also, how can I do it? So I'm getting so worried about it, you know. So, why are you getting so worried? I'm here to help you out. How to do a how much biggest number also in easy way. Within 10 seconds, you are going to do it the number by using a 9. See, don't worry. I told you from the beginning, right? In an easy way, we are going to learn all the basic operations. So, in the same way, we are going to learn about even by using 9s. Okay, first this video is about 9 division, how we are going to divide a number by using a 9, and my next video is also going to come, that is division by 99. Then part 3 will be of 999. So for that reason, to get the notification, we have to do subscribe. Okay, if you press the bell icon over there, then only you will get a notification of it, right? Continuously part 1, part 2, part 3 will be getting a notification. Then you are not going to miss it. Clear? Now we have to learn it in easy way. If we want to learn it in easy way, we have to practice it. We have to learn the math tricks, which will help you out. So I am here to help you out to do that in easy way. So that's the reason I'm telling you people to subscribe and like and share. Okay, then that means you are not going to miss the content. Yeah, you are not going to miss the content. Continuity is there. Then step by step you are going to learn it in easy way. And one more thing, see the video up to the end. Then only you are going to understand the concept clearly. Clear? Shall we start our session? So what was I was getting worried about to do? It was a division by using 9. So that today we are going to learn in easy way. By 10 seconds we are going to do it. Clear? So shall we start our session? Okay. Then today we are going to learn about division by 9. Okay, so we know 9 table also, like 2 digit, 3 digit generally how we are going to learn we know. But for 4 digit I am going to start this session. So 4 digit first how we are going to do it in general way we are going to learn. See first. Later on I am going to tell you the trick how to divide it by 9 in easy way. Clear? So 2 examples I am going to take. Within that 2 examples, see it properly, understand it properly and do it. Clear? Main thing, you have to practice. Without practice, no one is going to help you out. You have to practice with some other numbers, which are very useful in your simplification part. Okay? Then, number is 2213 divided by 9. First, we are going to do it in general way. Okay? 2213 divided by 9. So, 9 table I should know, right? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. So I should take 9 twos are 18. 1, 4. Bring this 1 down. So 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 40. So 9 take 9 fours are 36. Why? Because 9 fives is 45. Now it is bigger than that number. That's the reason I am taking 9 fours are 36. Then this is 5. Bring this 3 down. So then 9 fives are 45. So your quotient is 245. Remainder is 8. So this is what our general method. So we'll see for the another one also our general method and then we'll learn the trick behind it. Okay. Next number is 4210 divided by 9. Okay, now see 4210, 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. So 9 fours are 36. Then you subtract 3, 1, 6. Bring this 1 down. So 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54. So then subtract again 5, 1. So it is 7. Bring this 0 down. So 9 7s are 63. So your remainder is 7. Okay. Now quotient is 467 and remainder is 7. Okay. Won't we feel it like little clumsy, lengthy method, right? Now I'm going to tell you the trick behind it, how to do it in easy way. Clear? So now see it carefully. Don't get confused. No place here. So I'm just doing this. See, first what we should do. Carefully you listen. For 2213 I'm saying you. So 2213 the number is there, no? So numbers you should write like this. 2, 2, 1, 3. Little gap, space. So I'm writing this 2 as it is. Okay. Then these 2 should be added with the beside number. Up beside number. That is 2. So your answer what will get? 4. And then this 4 should be added with 1. Then it becomes 5. And then this 5 should be added with 3. Then it becomes 8. Sorry. What it is? 8. 5 plus 3, 8. So now all together you write 2, 4, 5, 8. So our division is of 1 digit division, right? So 9 is of only 1 digit, no? So we have to separate one number. So our quotient is what? 245 and remainder is what? 8. Is it correct? Both are same, right? Only you feel like this one is little lengthy. See, I'm not saying like don't use this method. Use this method only you use. I'm not saying that. Use this method. What is the use of it means time. Will manage your time. It will take little time to do it. We'll do this by using within 3 to 5 seconds. Where the simplification will be easy, right? Fastly we'll do. We have to learn fast methods to manage our time in examination. So simplification part, no one is giving marks for the simplifications, right? Should get a correct answer. Whatever the method may be. So use this method. Start using it. Clear? And then we'll go for the next example. That is 4210. So now same 4, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Now 4 should be written as it is. Then this 4 should be added with 2. It becomes 6. Okay. Then this 6 should be added with 1. Then it becomes 7. And then this 7 should be added with 0. Then it becomes 7 again. 7 plus 0 is 7 only, right? Yes. Then 4617. 7. So we are doing the division by using 1 digit, that is 9. So separate it. So what is your quotient? 467. What is your remainder? 7. Is it correct? Yes, right? So our quotient, whatever the method you are going to use it. But answer is correct. So start implementing this. If you practice it, then only you are going to use these methods correctly. Okay. So I have given you 2 examples over here. You can do it with some other numbers, right? Yeah. So see, answers are same. It is little time consuming. This one is we can do it within 5 to 6 minutes if we are very slow in addition to. So not minutes, in 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, I said minutes, right? In seconds we are going to do. See, 5 to 6 seconds, when it is taking too much time, at that time we have to use this method. A trick for dividing the 9. We have to remember for division by the 9, so and so trick. Clear? So I think so you have understood it clearly. If you are not going through the one example, go through the next example, see the video up to the end. Then only you are going to understand the concept. Okay, practice with some other numbers. Then you will be perfect in the division by 9. Clear? I think so you understand it clearly. Stay tuned to Vani Vision. Practice well. Do subscribe, share and like.